Yes, guys, I want you to guys look at the impression. Yeah, man. I just been here over about an hour now, and you can see the impression of the feeding, of how these goats feed hard. So there was a lot of wisp in this area, um, hog meat wisp, or we call it hog slip down here, John grass, a lot of different wisps in the cane, you know, different grass, different bushes. And as you see, they eat the leaf of the wisp and now they're eating the stem. You see that, guys? So these goats don't play when they come out to eat. They eat everything. Yeah, man. So you know, tomorrow when I come tomorrow, they'll be start busting down, going forward. You know? So yeah, man. Like, share, subscribe. Lucien Goat Farm. Yeah, man. If you think I'm doing a good job, yes. Keeping these goats healthy, looking good, colorful, shine. Yeah, quality animals. Enough love to the viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so let's go ahead and hit that notification bell, you know. Hit that subscribe button. Big up Lucien Goat Farm. One love.